Speciation. What is it? What causes a new species to arise? These questions baffled scientists for millennia, but in less than 3 minutes, this video will explain 2 ways that new species arise. First, we need to define speciation. Speciation is the process through which species separate and distinguish themselves over time. This video will focus on allopatric and sympatric speciation. The word allopatric is derived from the Greek roots allos and patris, meaning other fatherland. Similarly, sympatric loosely means same fatherland. Time to hit the road. Let's take a look at a cute example, more specifically, squirrels. Currently, these squirrels are living peacefully in their vast playground of green grass doing squirrel stuff, but more importantly, mating. This allows for gene flow to occur, and as a result, there is very little difference in allele frequencies between generations. But then something crazy happens. Well, that looks like a problem. When the Grand Canyon developed, the once happily interbreeding squirrels became divided. Fortunately for the squirrels, this isn't the end. They can carry on with life, but they can only mate with their friends on their side of the canyon. Separation of the land masses forced the 2 groups of squirrels to inhabit different niches. The formation of a geographic barrier causes reproductive isolation, preventing any gene flow between the 2 populations. There comes a point when the 2 groups cannot interbreed with each other, even if they're not geographically isolated because the populations are genetically too different. Now, onto sympatric speciation. But let's move away from the cute and fuzzy and go towards maybe the small and sweet. Strawberries. Strawberries tend to be diploid, but sometimes when the plant reproduces, the offspring are polyploid instead. These offspring may have up to maybe 10 N chromosomes. When the number of chromosomes increases above 2N, the resulting plant is a polyploid. Polyploidy occurs when all homologous chromosomes fail to separate in meiosis, resulting in 2 diploid gametes and 2 sterile gametes. A tetraploid is formed when a diploid sperm fertilizes a diploid egg. The resulting tetraploid zygote continues to produce diploid gametes. As a result, reproductive isolation occurs in just 1 generation because it can only breed with other tetraploids. A diploid strawberry plant is still reproductively isolated from a tetraploid strawberry plant, even if they grew up next to each other. The 2 types of strawberry plants will then acquire new traits independently of one another. This T-chart summarizes the information crucial to your understanding of these concepts. Feel free to pause the video to take a longer look at the chart. This video project was produced by Vikram Sundar, James Clark, Stephen Kang, Noah Harris, and Tony Wang as part of Dr. Choi and Dr. Spencer's Bio 1510 class.
Created using Powtoon.